everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am filming a little reset day. I just got back from Raleigh, North Carolina. I was in North Carolina for almost a week, Friday to Thursday. Actually, no, Friday to Wednesday. And every time I travel and I come back, I feel like I just need to reset. Like I need to, do household chores. I need to get my packages. I need to make sure everything is in order. I need to make sure my plants are alive and doing well. And personally, I love these little like reset vlogs, cleaning vlogs, very relaxing vlogs that a lot of YouTubers do. So I wanted to kind of make my own version of it and show you what I do when I get back from vacation and when I just have a moment to, get back into the swing of things. Because even though I do think I am very, very good at keeping routine even when I travel, I feel like I've become a pro at it because I do travel so often. I still like coming back and having that day, or at least half a day, where I am just getting things in order. I'm not working right away. I have a few calls today for work and a few things that I need to catch up on, but for the most part, I was working super hard in Raleigh, so I can take a few hours to myself and just do things around the apartment. So I actually need to write down what I need to do because I will forget if I don't write everything down. First things first, I need to grab my packages. I have so many packages downstairs and I have my new coffee maker, so I need to do that. I need to water my plants. I need to put my laundry away. I need to unpack. I also have friends coming and spending the weekend here, so I have to get like the apartment in order. I feel like I need to do like outside chores. Do I have food? I think I have food. I don't know. Other things will come along as I figure them out, but my plant outside is not looking too good and it's scaring me because there was a storm that came through. I think it lasted like one day, but Florida brings some harsh winds and it's like a little lopsided right now, so I need to go and make sure he's okay. And also because I've been traveling, I've been gone for about a week, and some of my plants need to be watered like every other day, so I like soaked them before I left. I don't know, I'm a new plant mom, so let me know tips on what you do when you travel with your plants instead of having someone come every other day to take care of them. They're looking fine now, but they're just a little lopsided, getting a little brown, but I think for the most part they're fine. I don't have a watering can because mine broke, so I just ordered one off Amazon. It said it was gonna come today, and I ordered it this morning, so very impressed. Okay, so this is my plant, and you notice she's just a little bit pushed this way because of the wind. So I think I'm gonna turn her around, but she's a little lopsided and has a little bit of like brown on the edges, and then some leaves have died at the bottom. But yeah, it gets a little cut up in the wind, which is unfortunate, but I still think she looks good. I think I'm just gonna flip her around and water her. Do you see how she's so lopsided? I twisted her because she was being blown this way. So then I twisted her so that if she blows again, she'll be blown this way. But like, look at this. It's like she's so twisted. It looks so bad with her like twisted this way, but I feel like it's the best way to even it out. I also have all these boxes from before that need to go out, so I'm debating, do I wait for the packages I'm about to get and take them all at once, or I put these out now? Okay, so we're gonna do a little unboxing. All of these packages came in literally less than a week. The front desk was like, yeah, this whole entire bottom shelf is yours. I had to get like a luggage cart to take all of these up, but yeah, let's start unpacking. I'm excited to see what they all are. Most of these I actually purchased. Some are PR and like gifted items, but let's open these up. So I'm just gonna start unboxing all of these packages because I feel like unboxings are a little fun on YouTube, and definitely part of my reset is opening up and putting away all my new packages. First one, I already know what it is because of the box, but it's a smart air purifier, and I am so excited. It's honestly like they read my mind. So Keon sent me this link to an air purifier, and it was a smart air purifier, and I was like, oh my god, I want that. Like maybe it'll help my skin out, maybe it'll just like make me sleep better. And I got an air purifier. This is an adult purchase. I feel like this and my coffee maker are like 2 adult purchases that I'm so excited for. Package, this is from Parade. I'm super excited. I've heard so much about Parade. It's like a very inclusive underwear company. Ooh, thong. These look comfortable. Little bralette. Thank you, Parade, for sending me this. Ooh, so this I believe is Emily Di Donato's jewelry company, or jewelry line that she started, or collection, Argento Vivo with Emily Di Donato. Emily is the sweetest. I had her on my podcast, which was a very fangirl moment for me because I grew up like seeing her face everywhere. She was one of the most like famous and successful models. Aww. Natalie, hope you love this collection. Emily. Oh, beautiful. What? Seriously, so beautiful. Are these earrings? And they're so light. Yay, I've been wanting some like gold hoops that didn't like tear my earlobe off. Love. I'm obsessed. I'm gonna wear these this weekend and probably every day because whenever I find jewelry that I like, I just wear it every single day. I'm obsessed. Oh my god, thank you so much, Emily. This is the cutest. Ooh. I'm so excited. End of June vintage. She was one of my very first clients, and she has a cute little vintage shop online that is Harry Styles inspired, and it is so freaking cute. Yay, I love it. I love the branding. Baby, you're the End of June. If you're obsessed with Harry Styles, you need to shop this vintage shop because it's not like, when I first heard of a Harry Styles inspired vintage shop, I thought it was like Harry Styles merch. No, it's like his style, but just like she finds like vintage pieces that remind her of like what he usually wears, and it's so freaking cute. It's so cute. Okay, so what is this? This is oh my god. My rollerblades. I just bought some rollerblades. Me and my friend Dana are going to start rollerblading together. She asked me, she was like, do you rollerblade? I was like, I mean, I haven't in years. I remember I wanted to start rollerblading a few years ago, but so I bought some, but they were at home in North Carolina. And then I used to rollerblade when I was younger all the time. Like me and my grandpa, he would walk beside me and I would rollerblade to his house, and like I would rollerblade all over the neighborhood. Like it was something I did when I grew up here in Florida. So I have rollerbladed, and I used to love rollerblading. I was more of a rollerblader than like a biker, but I just got some cool rollerblades. So yeah, I gotta text her and tell her that my rollerblades have arrived. I got this sculpting bodysuit. Whenever you pull out Skims, it looks like it's made for a baby. How is my body gonna fit in it? I got a ton of stuff from Abercrombie. I have become obsessed with Abercrombie. Let me tell you guys, I'm just gonna say it, I feel like one of those people that's like, I liked them first, like I liked this band before anyone was famous, and I'm gonna say it about Abercrombie. When everyone was wearing Abercrombie in middle school, obviously I was a huge fan, and then everyone kind of stopped wearing Abercrombie because it became really lame. I never stopped. I feel like this is the same energy as the I was supposed to be in the video. But it's true, I never stopped shopping at Abercrombie. I don't know if that's cool or weird. Some of you are probably like, yeah, you probably should have. I just ordered a ton of stuff from Abercrombie, so let's try it on. First look is this black bodysuit. It's super flattering and cute. I love it. And then these jeans are the 90s jeans from Abercrombie. They are so worth the hype. I think they are so cute and flattering. I got the one with the rip in the jean, and I am obsessed with these jeans. This bodysuit is nice and tan. I love it, and it has some like shoulder pads, but it's just really, really flattering. So I love a good neutral. I had to buy a just basic tee. I love a good white basic t-shirt. This one is super soft and perfect for like any outfit. And surprisingly, I don't have a pair of black biker shorts, so just had to get a good staple. I love these biker shorts. They're so soft and comfy, and you can just wear it with like an oversized tee. And I had to get another white basic tee. This one is ribbed, and it's another bodysuit. And lastly, these pants are amazing. I'm obsessed with them. They're so cute. I actually got Eat to Evolve to send me some stuff.